92% of real estate professionals use technology every single day. But here's the kicker: most of us don't realize how it's quietly rewritten the rule book for getting licensed in this industry. Let me tell you, when I got my license 15 years ago, I spent weeks in a stuffy classroom watching a guy flip through overhead projector slides. Today, my newest agent just aced her exam using virtual reality simulations of property negotiations between diaper changes. Wild, right? Oh, and here's something that blew my mind. Online education platforms have slashed the average cost of pre licensing courses by half over the last 5 years. Half. I've seen students go from zero to licensed in 30 days flat, studying entirely through bite sized mobile app lessons while waiting in line at Starbucks. And get this, they're actually retaining more than I did back in the binder and highlighter dark ages. Turns out interactive 3D floor plans stick in your brain better than textbook diagrams. But wait, it gets cooler. Ever tried explaining blockchain to your grandma? Me neither, but last month I walked a client through a crypto based transaction using an AI tutorial that adapted to her learning speed. These tools aren't just flashy toys, they're survival gear in a market where 80% of buyers now start their home search in virtual reality. Now, full disclosure, I nearly threw my laptop out the window the first time a chatbot helped me study ethics guidelines. Tech's not perfect. There's a reason we still do live role plays in my brokerage's training program. You can't automate the gut instinct of reading a client's hesitation during an offer presentation. But here's the real tea: the agents crushing it right now, they're the ones treating tech like a power tool, not a crutch. They'll binge watch CE webinars during their commute, then use that saved time to build genuine relationships. So tell me, when's the last time you audited your learning stack? Are you still clinging to those dusty PDFs like a security blanket? Or are you ready to let AI grade your practice exams while you focus on what really matters, the human magic no app can replicate? If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. And hey, smash that subscribe button before some ChatGPT knockoff starts narrating property listings in monotone. Your feed deserves better.